You are
Mommy.
What?
Hey, Mom.
Why have you brought him?
He's still our dad.
I thought I told you I moved. 18 years? I told you I moved on, my dears.
But he's still our dad. Mom, what's wrong?
Can you get out? I need to talk to my daughters. Can you get out? My girls, can you have a seat? I don't care what he has promised you. Remember, we have been in this for so long. It's been 18 years. Has he even given a dime? I've provided you with everything. The best education, best medication, best insurance. And then I've invested a lot of money in a local bank. For you, my daughters. Why are you looking for him?
He's still our dad. We're just happy to finally meet him. It's been long. He's still our dad. In fact, he wants to take us to a party.
Party?
Yes, Mom.
When I have invested a lot in your lives, my dears, what comes first? Your studies or what that guy is trying to promise you? Your future is in my hands, my dears. I've planned so much for you. Don't lose sight of where you are here. School is your priority.
We didn't want to disappoint you, but all we just wanted is just to have him.
My girls, just be careful. Focus on what is important. I've planned your life for you. So kindly, let's be together. The way you have been together in this family, my dears. I feel so disappointed in you guys. Focus on education, my dears. Remember, there's a program we are running in this college of ours, Kazimaju, by the Ministry of Education State Department of Tibet. And I've even organized for your passports, my dears. You know you applied for passports? Because I want you to go out there. What is wrong? Don't you want to go abroad?
You don't.
So kindly forget that guy. Forget him in your lives. Are you going to promise me you're going to do that, my dears? Mommy. Thank you. I love you. I love you, my girls.
Good afternoon, class. How are you? You've been good? Yes. So, as we were continuing with our topic, and I think we got to a point where we were looking at savings. And as a young person, kindly I need attention in my class. Dennis, I'm going to chase you out of my class. Okay? So, we were looking at as an entrepreneur, as a young person, as an entrepreneur, what sort of savings ideas do you have? We have listed banks, investments, we have even seen about shares and samples. So what is your idea as a young person? What is it about investment?
Okay.
Yes?
You can save on investments, you can save on banks, whether you have money.
So we have banks, we have investments. Somebody else? Then I also about the saving interest that they have. Yes?
I can also save using shares.
Using shares.
And even the shares.
Oh, in Shylocks, okay? So it's actually an advantage because you don't carry cash, okay? And in most cases and nowadays, I need attention in my class. And we have another thing also that we have forgotten for our list. Yes, we have.
Circles.
Yes, we have circles, okay? And how about you, Dennis? Yes, Dennis. Dennis, do you have an idea what loan savings is? Do you interest yourself in savings?
Forget about savings.
Really?
Savings is nonsense. We need to enjoy our life.
So that is the mentality that young people have right now about just having a party, okay? It's so frustrating that you people don't understand about savings and investments. Anyway, so I'm going to send you some research and I'm going to give you an assignment to understand how banks, how shares and investments and circles, they work, okay? Good day.
Same.
So I want you to assist me in something. How is your mom? How is your mom?
She's good.
She's good?
Yes.
Yeah, so I want like 1 million to clear my cargo that is there at Mombasa. So I don't know what to do. Yeah, it has been long. Oh, my phone is ringing. This is my business partner. Will you accept me to I took the call? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let me take the call. Yeah. Hello? Ukoaje? Nataka aje unitumie 3,000. Nimeshikwa na polisi hapa. Please utanisaidia? Nigoje dakika 2. Hapo itakuwa sawa. Na nitafurahi sana rafiki yangu. Asante. Haya. So, my girls, you see that guy I was talking to is the one that I want to clear the cargo with that they are at Mombasa. So, nimefaidika. So, I'm very happy. So, I want to, thank you. That's why I love you. I want you to assist me with something. Do you know where your mom puts the logbook?
Yeah.
Can you assist me with it? Assist me with it, with the logo. So you can try.
Yeah.
So you can try. Yeah, a deal.
A deal.
I will take you somewhere. I'll give you a party and something like that. Yes. I will throw you for a party.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you.
Oh yeah, what's not happening? Why are you doing that?
Yes, hello. Yes. Yeah, that's my name. What? Shylock? Vehicle? Logbook? I don't understand. The vehicle is mine, yes, and I have the logbook in my possession. It's with you? How did it get there? I don't understand. Somebody by the name Kombo took alone my logbook? Oh my goodness. What is this? Now what do I do? I pay the money? No, you should arrest him. You want to repossess my car? God forbid. Can you have a seat? Who told you to give your dad my logbook?
He asked for it.
Asked for it?
We gave him. We not just an ordinary book. That was not that important.
Oh, not important. Do you know what he has done with my logbook? He has taken it to a Shylock and taken a loan of 1 million shillings. Our car is going to be repossessed. The way I've worked hard, and you guys now, all I've worked for has gone down the drain. Do you know Shylock is going to possess because of some very meager amount of money? Do you know the worth of that money, of that vehicle? I need that logbook, my girls.
We just thought after doing that we could reunite again as a family.
Didn't I tell you to keep off that guy? My girls, I've worked hard enough, toiled for you for 18 years, given you the best education. Why did you go looking for him again? And I told him, don't allow him to lie to you. Yet he has tricked you. Is that what you're looking for? The love of a father who is a con man? Shh. What do we do now? The Shylock owns the car. He has the logbook. So he is the owner of the vehicle. Where can I raise 1 million shillings today? Because the car is gone.
We are sorry. We just craved for
Can Suri return my car? Give me an answer, my dears. I warned you about your dad. Didn't I?
You did.
Why have you let me down? I have been working so hard for you. Girls, you have been gotten the best skills that this college can give. What are you going to do, my twins? Huh?
We'll talk to him then.
Talk to him what? The Shylock is coming for the car. I want my logbook back. don't know any. Oh my goodness. Money? I don't understand. I don't understand. Everybody is asking for money.
Aya. Yaani ukweli kwa mtandao principal. Sawa. Aya. Yo principal, ora surely. Ole mitandao ine. Na wewe kama una principal. Nevyo. Sikia huyu.
Wallahi ndio huyu.
Ndio huyu. Ya. Aya. Ndio huyu. Wewe ndiye alifanya hiyo.
Look at how the news have spread on social media. I'm on WhatsApp. I'm on Facebook. I'm everywhere. And I'm not a social media person. Now I've been exposed everywhere. This requires a press conference.
Hello, hi. Wewe nini ninaona huko una trend?
Becky!
Una nini?
What are you speaking? What are you saying?
Ninaona una trend. What's up, my dear?
Can you kindly come to my office? Things are bad.
Kwani ni serious hata unalia?
I tell you.
Okay.
This guy Kombo, can you come?
Oh my god. Okay, I am coming.
Thank you, dear. Yes.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
You have a visitor.
Who is it?
She's Becky.
Show her in.
Okay.
Oh my God. Thank you. Have a seat. What's up? It is Kombo. He has taken notes. Even he has taken my notebook and taken a note from a child. What do you mean? It is sad. My daughters gave him my notebook. The guy took a notebook of 1 million shillings.
My dear,
Yes.
what are you going to do?
I don't know. My career is at stake.
Things are bad.
Organize for me a press conference, dear. I need to redeem myself. I've seen myself trending everywhere and I'm not a social media person. I'm on FB. I don't know, and I don't know which other one. I don't know. What do I do? There are best friends of yours in the media.
Yes, right now. Let me just
Kindly call them. career is at stake. A career I've built for 18 years. Recently, I was given head of state commendation. Will it go down the drain because of this Kombo?
Let me try reaching out on this guy. I think he's going to help us. His phone is engaged.
Call somebody, call somebody. I know.
Do you have anyone else in mind? Call Naomi.
Yeah, Naomi. She might help.
Yes. I'm still trying, John.
It's going through. Hello, Naomi. Yes, it's me. Yes. I need your help, my dear. I know you have seen what is happening. All my... Yes. Yes. Kindly organize for me a press conference. The guy has damaged my career. I need to rebuild myself. I've built a brand. Kindly organize. Even I don't care what it takes. Kindly call your friends in the media houses, all of them in the 4th estate. I need to redeem myself, my dear. Kindly help me. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay. Have a press conference.
Anything else that we should do?
Be there for me, my dear.
We have this together.
Thank you, God. Thank you.
Let me go. Let me carry this book. Okay, you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, it is with deep sorrow that I want to announce that there is a gentleman going out there saying he's my husband. I want to declare I'm not married, but I have my 2 beautiful daughters with me. The gentleman by the name Kombo, who is going out there soliciting for funds with my name, has also taken loans using my logbook that he was given by my daughters. He is not related to me in any way. And if he comes asking for money or trying to pretend that he is my husband, report him to the police boss. I have suffered a lot because of this. My career has suffered too. A career I've built for 18 years. I've even gotten a loan from one of the leading banks, growing together in trust. My girls have been beneficiaries of the same bank through a program called Wings to Fly after their father abandoned us. And that has enabled them to finish their education, even as I was chipping in. And now, through the program of Kazima Jew, they are going to Germany. So there is nowhere their father has come in their lives. Kindly, don't allow him to borrow any money in my name. It is an offense. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
are you, sir?
Thank you. I'm very good. Madam, how can I help you?
I've come to make a report.
Mm-hmm.
There is a person by the name of Kombo
Yes.
who has taken money using my name by false pretense,
Okay.
saying he's my husband. And now there is so much money I'm to pay.
Yes.
Hata logbook ya gari yangu amechukua loan kwa Shylock.
Calm down now.
Sasa afande mimi, I don't know what to do, sir.
Yes.
Kindly nisaidie mtumishi, I need your
Yes, we are
help.
going to help you, madam.
This man has spoiled my name. He has spread lies about me on social media and all places, even to my friends. I don't have a name. I need your assistance. Kindly assist me.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool down, madam.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to help you. Miss his name? Mr.
He's Kombo.
Mr. Kombo.
Yes.
He has taken money.
He has taken money from my friends,
Yes.
alleging that he's my husband.
Okay.
And he has also taken my logbook.
Okay.
My daughters, it happens that my daughters were sired by him.
Okay.
So he has used them. They removed the logbook from my house where I had kept it in safe custody.
Yes.
And now he has taken a loan from a Shylock, over 1 million shillings. They want to sell my car. My hands are tied.
Oh, don't worry. We are going to take care of everything, madam.
Yes, sir. Kindly do.
Yes.
I need all your help.
Yes.
Because Atta, he has spoiled my name everywhere. I'm in all over social media.
Don't worry.
He has threatened me using past photos of long time ago, 10 years ago. Kindly assist me.
So now, madam, you're going to take care of everything?
Yes, sir.
For now, so cool down and everything will be okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my son. You know I love you. You know I love you, my son.
I know that.
Yeah, I promised you something. And I know I promised you a laptop.
Yes.
You want it?
I
I know.
I want it
I
done.
have to give you. First of all,
I'm continuing.
Yeah.
But promise me you'll be
I
done.
promise you I'll get it for you. I'll get it for you. So, can I pick a call?
Why are you going done?
No, let me pick a call. I'm coming back. Okay. Right now.
Ah, yeah.